Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Treblab HD77. All right, and I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please just don't watch the video and then jump off. Make sure you go ahead and mash that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so again, here is the HD77 by Treblab. All right, the blue color. Let's look at some of the specs here. You get up to 20 hours of playtime, 25-watt speaker. You get the 360 HD sound. All right, you have the carabiner and strap, shock body proof, IP68 water resistant. So again, it can take a bit of water splashes, and it has the ability to be paired with another speaker. All right, pretty nice. Have a look all around. And without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. All right. Slide this plastic off of here really quick. All right, there we go. All right, let's slide this off. There we go. Pop that open. Here we go. Has a nice weight to it. And look at that. Really nice. Very nice. All right, so you have your clip on for this, which you can install right here. All right. All right, so you have your aux cable. All right. And your type A to micro USB charge cable. All right. And you will plug these items right here. So you have your micro USB charge port there, and then your auxiliary port right there. All right. And you have an Amazon $50 giveaway gift card. So you have a chance to participate in this. All right. And your manual. And of course, your branding sticker for Treblab. Now, I love the weight of this color, which I'm sure you probably guessed by now. Blue is my favorite color. So I'm definitely feeling this one here. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and get this set up with one of my phones. Now we can test it out and see how it sounds. Now this also comes in black. If you wanted to see how that looks, make sure you hit that card and check out my review for that one there. All right. Now to power this on, very simple. You will just go ahead and press and hold this down for about 3 seconds and it should power on. And once you power it on, when you take it fresh out of the packaging, it's ready to be paired with your mobile device. All right. And to turn it off, you just press and hold this button here for 5 seconds. All right. You can play pause with this button here. All right. So now if you want to turn the volume down, you can press the minus button. And if you want to increase the volume, you can press the plus button. If you want to go back or replay a track, you hold down the minus button for 2 seconds. And to skip a track, you hold down the plus button for 2 seconds. You can play and pause with this button here. And if you want to, let's say, pick up a call, because it does have a microphone where you can talk on this, you would just press the play button if a call is coming in, or to reject it, you're press and hold down the play button for about 2 seconds, and that will reject the call. And to hang up, you just simply press the play button again. All right. So those are your simple operation controls with this device. Very simple. Now let's go ahead and get this synced up with my mobile device so we can test out the sound. So I'm going to go ahead and press this button for 3 seconds. All right. I'm going to find it on my device here. And of course, you're looking for HD77. As you can see, it's ready to be paired. And that took care of that. All right, so now we're fully hooked up. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a try. Play one of these tracks here. And I don't have the volume all the way up. Sounds really nice. Let me increase the volume a little bit. You can see the vibration right there on the top of the speaker. Let me go to the max now. Really nice. Now stay tuned, as I will be doing another video for the just released brand new, much larger Bluetooth speaker. All right, that's coming soon. And this is why you need to subscribe to my channel, so that way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. I know I sound like a broken record right there, but just want to make sure that you don't watch and click away, because you can miss out. All right. So definitely a winner. Definitely a winner. All right. This little guy right here could fill a room so quick. So if you have a party, if you want to use it outside, you won't have any problems. And it's small enough for easy travel. All right. Now, if you're interested in the Treblab HD77, please use the link in the description, as it will help me out. And this completes my review for the Treblab HD77. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.